Last but not the least, Goa Medical College is the only government college which is going to offer IVF facility free of cost. And this facility will cost the government per cycle about 60 to 80,000 rupees. And at the end of one successful pregnancy, it might go up to 5 to 7 lakhs. And Honorable Minister has told us that he will do it all free. This is like having a sterile or a couple which cannot convince. The government is giving them the right to have a child, and this right, even though if it is not constitutional, this right exists in the state of Goa. So we must once again thank the Honorable Health Minister and the government of Goa for starting this IVF center in Goa Medical College. Now I would wish all the very best to this center and also the staff of obstetric and gynecology to carry out this work without any problems. We will be always there to support you, and I have told Dr. Muriel that the first IVF child will be delivered by you in presence of Dr. Kedar.
This is the first hospital, leave aside government, this is the first hospital in the country that is going to have this IVF treatment free of charge, where no patient is going to be charged. Everything has come through CSR, and this initiative under Dr. Pramod Sawant, which we are taking and dedicating to the people of the state of Goa at the hands of the Honorable Chief Minister. I would like to thank Dr. Kedar Farte and the whole team of Goa Medical College for actually putting this together. It was very important for us to put this together because we have seen women going through depression, many times people because they couldn't afford to have this treatment, giving up the hope of having a child. Why give up? My thought process is a little different. I have come through passion into this Ministry of Health.
With the dedicated focus on infertility patients, we aim to bridge the gap in healthcare by providing the highest quality care right here in Goa. Recognize the need for the specialized care, we have established the streamlined process. Infertility patients will be referred from obstetric-gynec OPD to the Art Center, ensuring the seamless transitions from the diagnosis to proper workup, counseling and treatment. This comprehensive approach will ensure that every patient receives personalized attention and best possible care. I am pleased to share that the expertise of Dr. Kedar Farte will be the cornerstone to this new center. His expertise and commitment to the reproductive health care will be the instrumental in shaping the success of these initiatives. This is not just a facility, it is a symbol of hope and determinations and collective efforts of our medical community to address the need of our people. We believe that everyone deserves the access to the high quality medical care, and the launch of IVF treatment facilities at Goa Medical College reaffirms this commitment. म्हाका दिसता गोयचे लोक भाग्यवान आसात तांकां अशा पद्धतीची सुपर स्पेशलिटी ट्रीटमेंट फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट अवेलेबल जाता. गोंयांत देशात खंयच्याच राज्यात ज्या पद्धतीची ट्रीटमेंट फॅसिलिटीज गोंय सरकारा कडल्यान मेळटा इतर राज्यांत खंयसरूच मेळची ना. सांगपी खूप जाण आसतले बट ट्रीटमेंट दिवपी खूप कमी राज्य आसा, तातूंतलें गोंय राज्य आसा. म्हणून हांव अभिनंदन करता बा विश्वजीत राणे हांचे. खरोखरूच तांच्यांनी खूप बऱ्या पद्धतीची फॅसिलिटीज हांगासर सुरवात केल्या.